My wife and I moved to South Wales recently. We arrived in winter, and watching the seasons pass has been a true joy. As the snow melted, we've seen a procession of flowers as the days got warmer and longer. Crocuses and daffodils gave way to fields of bluebells and wild garlic. While talking with my dad, he shared fond memories of collecting wild garlic in Germany during his childhood. I've made this video as a way of sharing with him our story. By the time I recorded this, it was getting towards the end of May and most of the flowers had already wilted away in the lowlands of Cardiff, having given way to fields of daisies. So I biked to a cooler, north-facing slope on the ridge just north of Cardiff, where they were still flowering. I had heard that the stems and leaves make an excellent pesto if you can collect them before the flower blooms. I tried a few, and they certainly had some flavor still, but the flowers had an extraordinarily pungent aroma. I collected a basket and biked home. I wanted to cook something to really showcase their flavor, and I settled on a mushroom and garlic flour omelet. It seemed simple enough to make, and the chestnut mushrooms seemed thematically appropriate to celebrate the forest's bounty. I fried the coarsely chopped mushrooms in Welsh butter until they were soft, and then added the chopped flowers in. The flowers dissolved almost immediately when I added them to the butter, and added a tremendous herbal aroma to the entire kitchen. I added some salt and stirred in 2 eggs. In a previous attempt, I had added Boursin cheese, but this time it felt like cheating because it itself has a very strong herbal flavor, and I really wanted to see what the garlic flowers could do. The omelet, while not especially ornate, was lovely. Frying the flowers in butter let the herbal flavor permeate evenly throughout. I think I could use this technique while making a glaze for a steak or really any kind of sauce. It's always a joy to cook anything you can find in nature. As spring gives way to summer, the garlic flowers are now completely gone and have been replaced by foxgloves, which, although poisonous, are truly nice to look at. For now, I'll be content biking around without eating the flowers and can't wait to see what comes next.